So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to grow redcap fish head. So in order to be happy and stay healthy, the redcap needs good quality food. So if they are fed with the right food at the right time and in right quantity, then there are high chance that the head of the redcap will grow big. Naturally, redcap loves eating and they keep on eating food. So they are big eaters, thus you have to keep feeding them with high quality food. Now when they are eating much, they will produce a lot of waste too. Be careful about that. While choosing the food, you should see that it is well balanced with vitamins, minerals and protein, as without that the head will not grow. So you can also include brine shrimp in their diet. It has a rich texture and strong flavor which is loved by the redcap. Moreover, the brine shrimp are packed with vitamins, nutrients and protein that are necessary for the growth of the head of the redcap fish. So apart from brine shrimp, there are some other food items like vegetables and bloodworms that is loved by the redcap, and it is also good for the growth of the head of the redcap too. So eating good quality food will always keep the fish healthy and will help in the growth of the redcap. So the next factor is size of the tank. So redcap grow best when they have enough space to grow. So the minimum size of the tank should be of 30 gallon. So it is far better if you can have a tank that is of 45 gallon. So actually the bigger is the size of the tank, the more area the redcap gets to grow. So when it grow bigger, there are high chance that the fish head will also grow. When a redcap is packed in a small tank, it affects its growth. Now the next factor is maintain the filtration of the water and keep it clean. So in order to let the redcap have great head, it is necessary that the water is well maintained. The well-being of the fish is affected by the water quality and the size of the head too. So when the fish don't have any health problem, it has a natural growth on his head. Thus the water should be filtered properly. So it is best of the filter that the aquarium has is able to process 10 times the water that the aquarium can hold in 1 hour. So the filter should be able to conduct 3-stage filtration so that the water inside the tank is pure and healthy. There should be at least 30% partial water change in 3 days apart from regular filtration. So in case your filtration is not strong enough, then you must change the water partially every 2 days. So the next factor is the frequency of feeding is also important. So when you expect your redcap to have a great head, then just feeding them with the right food is not enough if you do not feed them after regular intervals. So you should feed them at least 3 times a day, and the quantity should also be checked. So when the fish are fed more, they will produce more waste, thus keeping checking if the water is clean or not. So these are all information regarding how to grow your redcap fish head. So I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.